So what is allowed on cruise ships? First Coast News' Julia Janae is on your side. She joins us live now with what she's uncovered. Julia?
That's right. A cruise ship is often considered a floating city, and with background checks and security checks and luggage checks, we actually found that those background checks don't come standard.
More than 10 million people board cruise ships every year, and much like a hotel or plane, cruise lines in the U.S. aren't required by law to do criminal background checks or block passengers, even those with a violent history. Published policies for cruise lines like Carnival and Norwegian don't mention any restrictions on criminal history. But keep in mind, security protocol may be confidential. We reached out to Carnival Cruise Lines, asking whether they check the background or sex offender registry before allowing passengers to board. A Carnival representative said in a statement, "We do not disclose our security protocols so as not to undermine their effectiveness." Cruises going to Canada, however, do have restrictions. Anyone with a criminal record, including misdemeanors or DUIs, could be blocked from entering our northern neighbor without first getting a waiver. Here in the U.S., you do have a right to know. After an act by Congress 8 years ago, cruise lines have to make criminal statistics public. According to the Department of Transportation, out of the 106 crimes reported to the FBI in 2017 on cruise lines, 76 were sexual assaults, and nearly half of those happened on Carnival ships.
Now, Carnival didn't offer more information to our questions that we asked about safety, but they did have on their legal notice online about these crime statistics that they note that these numbers are small in comparison to the millions of people who travel in those ships across the nation every year. For now, reporting on your side, Julia Janae for First Coast News.
Julia, thank you. An NBC News investigation uncovered these floating cities posed a hidden danger that's rarely discussed. Sexual assault is the #1 crime on cruise ships, and a congressional report found more than 1/3 involved minors.